Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm headed into Dollar Tree and I'm taking you with me. Let's go shopping.
Today we're going to take a look at everything new out at this little Dollar Tree. First, the graduation items. If you want to see what is new in other parts of the store, go ahead and skip forward to the 7-minute mark. Right here they've got a ton of grad glasses, lots of paperware to use, some stars in silver and gold plates. They seem to be putting out the same prints as the last few years, just changing up the year for 2019, the black and gray version, and then the more colorful version. So they have the same prints in tablecloths to coordinate with all their paper goods, some fun little necklaces, class of 2019, some fun little lanyards. This is a fun new little find. This is a pressed wood tabletop photo holder. Really cute little graduation gift for 2019. Of course, they've got all the traditional banners and hanging signs. Lots of congratulations signs in both of the color schemes. I personally prefer the black. Some hanging streamers. This is a fun little oversized button. They even have beach balls, fun for a large crowd if you're there waiting for hours on end, as we usually are for graduation. They also have the party poppers and lots of glittery graduation bags. These all look pretty familiar, but I do like this one in the white. This one's definitely new this year. They do have quite a few centerpieces that you can use this year, and the fun little photo props that come in a set of 7. Great if you're doing a little backdrop for your graduation party. They have some more hanging pieces of decor and signs. This one in pink, which I have not seen before. I'm guessing they're playing up the feminine side in case you didn't want more traditional colors. They also have these little card boxes that you can assemble. It does look like a little graduation cap when you're done. A few little heavy cardstock pieces to put together. Lots of signs for your front lawn. This little hanging piece of decor. Lots of graduation caps, as you can see. Here's another one of their little centerpieces, and assemble your own graduation cap in sort of a heavy cardstock. And these are new this year. The adventure begins. This one in gold and black, and surprisingly they did one also in pink. Reach for the stars. These just look like a little scroll rolled out. Quite a bit of glitter on them, but they're fun new finds this year. They also have a returning sign, this one in Congrats Grad, on a heavy felt background, and little 6-pack of bubbles with little graduation caps on. They also have the wands in 4 packs in the red and in the blue, great for waving at your graduate from the crowd. And this scroll style sign that you can actually DIY and make your own. It does come with some markers and you can write your own personalized message on it. More sets of gift bags, this one in sets of 2 with a gold and a silver tag. They come in black, red, and blue. They have these little boxed wooden signs with the year of the graduate in sequence, and it is mermaid, so one way it says grad, the other way it says 2019. Lots and lots of photo frames. If you're going to do a gift for a graduate, this might be a good way to go. They also this year have quite a few frames where you can include the tassel along with the photo, like this one and the one that said 2019. They also have these little square acrylic shaker signs, Congrats Grad, with lots of glitter in them. And speaking of glitter, they do have out some really adorable 4x6 frames covered in gold glitter right now. You don't always have to use those for graduation. They have out plenty of the acrylic tumblers in a few different prints, including the tassel was worth the hassle, and these little ducks with graduation caps on that say 2019. They also brought back the large cups in 2019 and a few sets of the little miniature ice cream cups. Now this wall is covered in local colors for graduation, but I did find this table skirt. I thought that was a great find. I don't believe I've ever seen that at Dollar Tree before. And a few more of their tinsel style signs in gold and silver. I also found a few of their handmade graduation cards. This one is adorable with the cap and gown, just a super simple message on the inside. These are always such a great buy for just $1. It really helps you save money on your gifts, especially for the graduate who you'll probably be gifting some cash. They've got a lot of choices this year, from pink owls to tassels. They even have a little pink piggy. This one's really cute. Got money in the bank. And then of course they have the money holder style cards above. Lots to choose from. This one with the little cupcakes is super cute. This one in the glitter balloons. This one is super cute with the little straw and root beer float. Now on to the rest of Dollar Tree to show you guys what else I'm finding that's new in the store today. I was really happy to come across these little glass bottles with their little jute and nautical signs. This store in particular, for being a small Dollar Tree, had quite a few of them. They also have a few new candles up here, these in the chocolate and then this one in the Colombian. They also have some new jar candles, mahogany coconut, guava coconut, and sea salt pineapple in the little jars. And these, which I'm not sure if they are votive holders or glasses, they could definitely be either. They're so pretty in all the different blues and green. Some of them are dusted with just a little bit of gold on the bottom, and some in the blue had silver. I'm also super excited to find these little donut trinket trays in person. They are adorable and could be the perfect little way to give a gift. They were all stacked up right in front of these candles, which are in beautiful jars in 2 different scents. In the same area up near my register, I found these butterfly votive holders, perfect for summer. They are metal and come in teal, orange, and a fuchsia. They put out some new wax melters, 2 of them with an iridescent finish and 2 in matte. Now for some health and beauty items, I did find some new things from Salon Selectives. They have 2 different instant repairs. They also have this by L'Oreal, which is a color fader. So if you have color treated your hair and want it to wash out, you could use this item. It's fun to see L'Oreal in the Dollar Tree. And these are definitely a knockoff of something you've probably seen at Walmart or Target in the shampoo and conditioner. They've also brought back these Sun-In highlights. They had these last year by L'Oreal. Perfect timing for summer. They also had some new things out by Power Stick. These are different shaving balms in a few different versions. Down below they have the wipes targeted for men for face and body. They also have the Daily Defense Cleansing Water. These are for removing makeup and cleaning your face. They also have the Charcoal Facial Cleanser and something new above, this little Charcoal Acne Scrub. They also have a charcoal mask down here. Let me know down below in the comments if you've ever tried it. I'd be curious to hear if it was any good. Now for the little ones, they do have little sets of bath fizzies in different characters. You do get 8 fizzies for $1. Over in the makeup aisle, I found a few new highlighters. These are highlighting sticks and they are by Sinful Colors. They come in a white or almost iridescent version and a bright pink as well as a peach color. Also on the same aisle, I found these collagen masks for lips and cucumber masks for under eyes, as well as a few exfoliating and moisturizing foot masks. I found some more name brand items in the medicine area. This one in Mucinex Sinus Max. It doesn't expire until 2020. Now I've heard this sleep aid is really good. I've yet to try it, but they also had some airborne with vitamin C and another name brand item. This Barkeeper's Friend is a favorite in my home. With Mother's Day behind us, they're definitely gearing up for Father's Day with all these cute dish towels and pot holders in different prints for Father's Day. Lots of things for grilling out, including your tongs and spatulas, pretty much anything you would want or need. And something else I remember finding around Father's Day last year was the larger bags of the Chex Mix. I was able to find it in a couple different flavors, and I know these are going to be a hit in my house. They also finally brought out some patriotic socks, this cute little Statue of Liberty, a few different prints to choose from. I've already showed you guys all of the decor that they've put out, so I was glad to see the socks finally hit the shelves. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Dollar Tree today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.